Welcome back. Today we're talking about one of the most searched beauty topics, microblading at home. Social media makes it look easy, but is it really safe? In this video, we'll explain what microblading is, why professionals train for it, the risks of doing it yourself, and safer ways to achieve fuller-looking brows. Why DIY microblading is risky. Infection risks. Permanent scarring. Pigment problems. Uneven results. Allergic reactions. Difficulty correcting mistakes. What professionals actually do. Explain. Consultation. Skin assessment. Face mapping. Hygiene standards. Sterile single-use tools. Color matching. Aftercare instructions. Safer alternatives. Brow pencils. Brow powders. Brow pomades. Brow gels. Temporary brow stains. Professional brow tinting. Professional brow lamination. Choosing a qualified artist. Talk about. Checking licenses where applicable. Looking at healed results, not just fresh photos. Reading reviews. Asking about hygiene practices. Patch testing when appropriate. Understanding aftercare. Microblading is generally recommended only for adults, 18 years and older. The ideal age depends more on skin health and personal needs than on a specific number. Under 18. Usually not recommended. Many salons will not perform microblading on minors, even with parental consent. 18 to 25. Suitable if eyebrows are naturally sparse, overplucked, or uneven. 25 to 45. One of the most common age groups, as many people want to enhance or reshape their brows. 45-65 plus. Also suitable, although mature skin may require different techniques and expectations for how the pigment heals. Microblading may not be appropriate for everyone. A qualified practitioner may advise against it or postpone it if someone has certain skin conditions, active skin infections, uncontrolled diabetes, is pregnant, policies vary, is taking blood-thinning medications, or has other medical factors that affect healing. Microblading typically lasts 12 to 24 months. But the exact duration depends on several factors. Oily skin, about 6 to 12 months, the pigment tends to fade faster. Normal to dry skin, around 12 to 24 months. Touch-up. Most people need a touch-up 6 to 8 weeks after the initial procedure. Then maintenance every 12 to 18 months to keep the brows looking fresh. Factors that affect how long it lasts include skin type, oily skin fades faster. Sun exposure. Skincare products containing retinoids or exfoliating acids. Individual healing and metabolism. Pigment color. Lighter shades may fade more quickly. Microblading is considered semi-permanent. It gradually fades over time rather than staying permanently like a traditional tattoo. Microblading can produce beautiful results when performed by a trained professional. But it's not a procedure to learn from a quick online tutorial. Your skin is permanent, and mistakes can be difficult or impossible to reverse. If you're considering microblading, take time to research qualified artists and ask questions before booking. If your goal is simply fuller-looking brows, there are many temporary options that can look excellent without the risks of cutting the skin. If this video helped you understand the facts about microblading, please like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. What beauty topic should we cover next?